Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to delete your Kfriends application or Kfriends account. Okay, so this is really gonna easy and short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you'll learn how to do this. So here you can see this is the home page of Kfriends. So what you need to do, you need to tap here my page, bottom right corner on your screen. Simply tap on that, and again here you can see the option settings. Okay, right top corner. So on your screen, simply tap on that, and after that you can see account management, the first option. Simply tap on that, and you can see the delete account. Also tap on the delete account. Then do you really want to delete your account? And they will say something right here like, if you cancel your account, all activity information including friend chats and stories will be deleted and cannot be recovered. Additionally, you cannot register for 7 days after canceling your account. So simply tap on the delete. It means that you can read before that. If you really want to delete, then you can go ahead. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.